Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we have to discuss properties of real numbers. In real number, the first property is closure property with respective addition. If A, B are two real numbers, then their sum also belong to real number. This property is called closure property. For example, if we consider -3 and 5, both belong to real numbers, then their sum -3 plus 5 is equal to 2 also belong to a real number. Commutative property. Again, if A, B belong to the set of real number, then A plus B must be equal to the sum of B plus A. If we consider 2 and 3 from the set of real number, then 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 give us the same result 5. Associative property. If A, B, C belong to the set of real number, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus into B plus C. Means if we add A plus B first, then add C, or if we add B plus C first and then add A, the result will be the same. For example, if we consider 3 real number 5, 7, 3 belong to the set of real number, then 5 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 7 plus 3. Here 5 plus 7 give us 12 plus 3 means give us 15 from left hand side. But here the right hand side 5 plus 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 give us 15. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Additive identity. In real number, 0 is called additive identity. Means for every real number, A plus B must be equal to 0 plus A. Multiplicative identity. In real number, 1 is called multiplicative identity, such that A multiplied by 1 is equal to A, and this will be equal to 1 multiplied by A, for all A belong to real numbers. Therefore, 1 is called multiplicative identity. Multiplicative inverse. For every non-zero real number, there exists a unique real number A inverse, called multiplicative inverse of A, such that if we multiply this number with A from left side or from right side, give us multiplicative identity 1. Multiplication is distributive over addition or subtraction. For 3 real number A, B, C belong to real number, A into B plus C must be equal to AB plus AC, or in case of uh, subtraction, A into B minus C must be equal to AB minus AC. Again, properties of inequalities of real numbers. In this first properties is trichotomy property. For any two real number A, B, A less than B or A is equal to B or A greater than B. Means for every two real number from these properties one will be satisfied. Transitive property. For three real number A, B, C, if A less than B and B less than C, which implies that A must be less than C, or if A greater than B and B greater than third number C, which implies that A must be greater than third number C. This property is called transitive property. Additive property. If A, B, C belong to real number R, if A less than B, then A plus C must be less than B plus C. Means if A less than B and if we add same number uh, to with A and with B, then the result will be the same. Similarly, if A greater than B, if A greater than B, then the same result will be hold. Multiplicative property. If A, B, C belong to R and C is a real number greater than 0, then if A greater than B, which must be, implies that AC greater than BC. Means in this case inequality must be the same. But if C less than 0 and if A greater than B, then if we multiplied C with A and B, then the inequality must be reverse. Multiplicative inverse. If AB belong to R and AB not equal to 0, then if A less than B, F and only F1 over A greater than 1 over B. And if A greater than B, F and only F1 over A less than 1 over B. Means F2 greater than 1, then 1 over 2 must be less than 1. Mean 1 over 1. Or if we consider 3 greater than 2, then 1 over 3 must be less than 1 over 2. This property is called multiplicative inverse properties. This is the end of this lecture. Thank you.